Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a Valentine's Day tutorial. If you guys like this look, then just keep on watching. Nice. Today I'm going to be using Photo Finish Foundation Primer by Smashbox. This is my first time actually using it. See how I like it. Crazy.
It didn't hurt, Ma.
It didn't hurt, baby?
No. What, Ma? How I get it? How I get this?
Give me a second, okay?
Just put it on your face like this?
With your dedito.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
But this weekend I didn't have my daughter. She actually went to her dad's house, and it was actually pretty good. Friday, me and my boyfriend, we just went to the movies. We needed a day off from the baby and our big girl. So we ended up just going to the movies. After that, it was a little too late when we got out the theater. So usually when we always leave the kids at my mom's if we're going to the movies, or if it's maybe our little date. So we left baby at my mom's. Ariel was with her dad. And usually if we get out like a little, maybe like close to midnight, mom usually be like, oh, just leave the baby here, just pick him up tomorrow morning, or just pick him up tomorrow. So we left the baby at my mom's overnight. And then Saturday we got up. My boyfriend actually woke me up super early. He's like, take me to Home Depot, or let's go to Home Depot. And I'm like, okay, sure, let's go to Home Depot. So we go to Home Depot. We buy whatever he was gonna buy. And then after that, we came back home, dropped the stuff off that he bought. And then he's like, okay, well, we need to go grocery shopping, we need to go shopping, and we need to go pick up baby. And by that time we hadn't ate, so we ended up going grocery shopping, and then did we drive home? No. And then we're like, oh, let's go pick up the baby. And then we're like, you know what, let's finish grocery shopping, and then we go pick up the baby. So we ended up driving to Walmart. We get off, we hadn't been in Walmart maybe like in months, maybe 4 months. Monday. We're at Walmart, and we're shopping. We needed, you know, just hairspray and stuff like that. So we get off, we're walking through the aisles, and then we see that everything's locked up. So we're like, are you serious? Like, you need someone to get this stuff out? Like, really? Like how sad is that? You know, they gotta lock everything up for us. So so we ended up oh yeah, we were looking for toothpaste, and we see the toothbrushes. We see the toothbrushes are locked up, and then we keep walking, and then we see that the toothpaste locked up, and then we needed some other stuff, and everything was locked up. So we're like, do we really need to be calling someone every time we need something? Like, that is so sad. So my boyfriend, we hate Walmart, so we never really go to Walmart. We ended up just leaving the car there. We're like, oh, you know what? It's terrible. Let's go. So we ended up driving to Target.
Okay.
So yeah, we get to Target. We did our little shopping. After Target, we drove to the mall. And then we did some shopping. We needed some stuff. Well, my boyfriend needed work clothes, and I needed some makeup, so we ended up doing that. After that, we went to Buffalo Wild Wings, and then maybe like around 5, we ended up picking up the baby, and it was like so sad. I'm like, oh my god, we left the baby the whole 24 hours at my mom's house.
Mom, you sit right here, I sit right there?
Yeah, but give me a second, okay? How are you?
Not great.
Not great? Why?
Because I missed you.
I missed you too.
Mommy, you want to play?
Yeah, just give me 1 second, okay? I'm almost done.
Oh.
Almost done here.
Mom. Where you put my Band-Aids?
Over there, Mommy.
Okay. Right here? Mm-hmm. 1, 2. No.
I really like this look, but I'm probably gonna have to edit the whole
2.
the whole beginning of the video because the baby was crying the whole time in the background. So here's the final look. I hope you guys liked it, and thank you for watching.